right, y'all, we're going to give y'all a little room tour. I'm at the Planet Hollywood. I'm going to do these videos a little different this time since I'm in Las Vegas. So it's going to be little clips. So this is the room view. This is the room tour, y'all. And I'm standing at the Planet Hollywood right off the strip. Perfect location, y'all, for New Year's Eve because I'm right off the strip, our center strip, which I'll show y'all when I show you the view. But anyway, let's get started here. We got a little closet here when you first walk in the door. And got this here is complimentary, y'all. I ain't got to pay for it. One thing I like about this hotel, look at this. You got a mini fridge in here that you can put your stuff in. A lot of hotels don't have it. The expensive hotels don't have that. Which I ain't saying this is cheap, but you got a safe there. If you go to Caesar's Palace and Bellagio and Cosmo, you don't have those amenities. But anyway, you got a tub here. It's just a soaking tub. And look at this, y'all. I can look out the window while I soak. I don't know what kind of craziness going on with this. People get drunk and I guess give people a thrill, I guess. But anyway, you got private toilet right here. If you got other people in here, you can do your business in private. Got the mirror there. Also, you got a big shower here. You can sit down in here. You know, I never understand Vegas and these showers. People sit down in the showers. What be going on? What really be going on here in Vegas? But anyway, that's so good. If I want to soak, and they got them things, old people, it's an old people tub. Y'all got them grips. You can't get up out of there. Got them grips help you get out that deep tub. Anyway, got a little table here. That's pretty cool. All right, got the TV over here. It say, welcome Jeffrey Williams, Planet Hollywood. Nice little TV there. Here's the view here. You got the view there. You got the area. You got over there the Waldorf. You can see MGM over there. You got my favorite hotel in Vegas right in front of me, the Cosmo. You got the Bellagio. You can see Paris right there. You can see all the hotels here, y'all. Let me go to the next one right here. You got mountains over there, y'all. Look at that. Look at this view. And tonight, I bet at nighttime, it's going to be absolutely amazing. You got a pool view. Too bad the pool is closed. I can stand up here and just have my own vacation right up here watching people, huh? Look, there's the Paris Hotel right there. You got the old Mirage. It's going to be, what's the one with the guitar, y'all? Hard Rock Hotel. Got the Eiffel Tower right there. So everything is in walking distance, y'all. One thing I like about Planet Hollywood, and I'm staying in a junior suite, y'all. They upgraded me to a junior suite. And because I ain't have to pay no early check-in because my room wasn't ready. And he asked me, would you like to just upgrade for extra $40 a night to a junior suite? This thing going right now, y'all, for $700. $700. And I got upgraded for only $40, y'all. And normally I paid it was $150 on my other room. So $200 on a $700 room tonight, y'all. And this New Year's Eve, y'all, I don't know when this video will come out. But anyway, just want to give y'all a little room tour here. Chef Jeff, I'll be here for 3 days. This is my situation for the next 3 days. So anyway, y'all, we will be back here in another video, probably be a restaurant review. So I just want to give y'all a heads up and show y'all this. We'll be back.